Hey, what's going on everyone? In this video, I'll show you how to redeem codes in World of Warships. Promo codes can give you rewards like containers, credits, camo, ships, or premium time. Or it could even give you discounts. First, open your web browser and go to the official World of Warships website or wargaming.net. Once you're here, make sure to log in. And once you've logged in, click on your profile, which is on the top right corner here. Click on Activate Wargaming Code. And you will be redirected to the Redeem Code page. Carefully type or paste your promo code into the box, and then click on Redeem Code. If the code is valid, you'll see a confirmation message. And after that, launch World of Warships, and your rewards will usually appear automatically in port or after restarting the game. If the code doesn't work, check for spelling mistakes, make sure the code hasn't expired, and confirm it's valid for your server region. And that's it. That is how to redeem codes in World of Warships.